In this video, we'll talk about the potential of another Dogecoin bull run. We'll also talk about what's been going on right now, why we are relatively bullish, and in general, everything you need to know about Dogecoin for today. So let's get right into it. First of all, hope you all had a great weekend. That's obviously way more important than anything we'll talk about in this video. At least I think. Some of you might disagree with me. And I hope you all had a great start of this week. I'm still pretty tired, just woke up, but doesn't matter. So Dogecoin, pretty bullish compared to other cryptos, has been very bullish as well. Now, obviously, we have had some more bullish momentum in the entire market. Like today, if you take a look at Bitcoin and Ethereum, they've been pretty bullish, but nothing quite like Dogecoin, right? I mean, can we still see it by the last 30 days or something? No, I don't think we can, but if you would be able to check the last 30 days, so that's including the FTX crash, Dogecoin has been one of the strongest cryptos. As you can see, we've been in an uptrend since November the 22nd. And I don't think any other crypto, except for maybe Litecoin in the top 100, has done something like that. Now, the reason for all of this bullish momentum is probably, I mean, most of you know that, but all sorts of things happening around Twitter and Elon Musk, right? Well, not right. That's just what's been happening. So what happened, I think Sunday or Saturday, is that Elon Musk talked a little bit more about payment integrations and payment options for Twitter. I think so, at least that's what I heard. And that's also something he spoke about earlier as well, right? When he I mean, we could zoom all the way back, but I'm not sure if I actually want to do that. No, I don't want to do that. That's not for this video. But he did show some company decks and like his not a decentralized exchange, but more like his vision for the company. And the last slide was also payments. So it looks more and more likely that payments and something with that, some integrations, are going to be realized within Twitter. Now, that's massively bullish for Dogecoin, because we know that Elon Musk has expressed some support for specific cryptos like Dogecoin. But we also know that still a big shareholder, Jack Dorsey, is also a crypto lover, even though he loves Bitcoin a lot. So with that payments being pushed forward, it means that the potential for Dogecoin actually increases. And in my opinion, I cannot predict that now, but I do think we will have another rally, or I do think we will at least continue kind of the rallying we've been doing somewhere in the next month, all right, somewhere in December. It's impossible to say when, because it depends on the news. It depends on when the news comes out. All right, but I do expect that. I do expect us to reach like 11.5 cents, maybe even 13 cents, depending on the news, maybe even higher, but that's up to future me to analyze. Right now, we'll zoom into to more of the short term, right? I mean, you should know that it's very well possible, because of the fundamentals for Dogecoin, to rally even more than what we've been doing. But what I can accurately say is what I expect on the short term. So what you can see on the short term, we still have a lot of bullish momentum. We are in a clear uptrend, and there's no bearish momentum weighing us down yet. I mean, you could argue that right now we're making some lower highs, but you could have argued that like a couple of times from this top, and each time we've broken above that. Usually that's bullish. So what I expect, given the bullish momentum also that we have in the entire market, which is not something you should forget, is that sure, we might actually find some more resistance at 10.6 cents, but I do expect that at some point of time we'll break above that, probably in the next few days, and that will get up to 11 cents. Now, without bullish fundamentals and without news, I don't think 11 cents will be broken. But yeah, I mean, yeah, we'll have to see that. Probably from there we'll reject back down, and we might even fall all the way back down to 10 cents again. That's very possible, but that's I'll be back with more thoughts on that in the future. For now, that's my take on Dogecoin. I cover Dogecoin every day, so if you think that's interesting, make sure to subscribe. But for now, have a great Monday. Take care and bye.